Hello everyone, this is Chris with Sticker Fab. Today, just going to show you a little video on installation of a glass screen protector from 21 Off-Road. It is a simple product, what I consider kind of an essential product if you are buying one of these big, expensive Broncos and you've got that big screen inside and want a little added protection. Now we have a glass screen protector. Now we've been selling the OCD plug matte ones for a while. Those are good at reducing glare. These are pretty good at basically keeping fingerprints off for the most part, a little bit more than your stock glass, but it just adds that little layer of protection on there because you never know when things might go sliding around, accidentally hit there. You have kids or whatnot, you just want to protect your investment a little bit. Now, what I found is the easiest way is to line it at the top of the trim. Now, the top of the trim is not the same on every vehicle. You'll see a little gap right down there at the bottom. You really don't notice it when the screen is on, but it's easier to push it up here and then apply it and then let the rest sit right there so you can kind of let go of that glass when you're installing it, so you have that little bit of a gap. It makes it easier to get your fingers out from under there. You'll see just a tiny gap on the sides, so you want to keep that even on there. But like I said, once the screen is actually on, you really don't notice that at all once you've been driving the vehicle for a little while. You can see right there. But let me go get a fresh new one and we will install it into our Badlands, which actually right now had a prototype, just simple plastic screen. And that screen protector was not bad at all either. But if you want something a little bit harder, you can go for the glass. If you guys want just this plastic type screen, we can get them. Let me try to take this one off. Actually, once you put it down, sticks there pretty well. There we go. I know some of you keep that original OEM cover on there for as long as possible, but kind of similar to that. However, the glass is going to be a little bit tougher, offer a little bit more protection. Alright everyone, sorry for the noise. This is Florida and it is early, so everyone's trying to get out, get their jobs done before the sun fries them. The sun is already out and it is hot. It's like 79 degrees. I do recommend doing this in a generally warm environment. In general, adhesives tend to work better. I have cleaned my hands. I have opened up the package, and what we have here are a white paper, a kind of microfiber, and we have some stickers. Now, I probably won't use these stickers because I'll clean it really well, but the stickers pick up little pieces of dust that you just can't seem to get off. You have some general instructions and you have the glass screen protector. We're going to open this wipe pad up first, and then we'll make sure our screen is nice and clean. It should still be slightly damp in that nice sealed pouch. So generally get that all over the area, anywhere it might make contact, screen protector that is. And brush away all that dust. And then come back with a microfiber and try to sweep all that dust up. Hopefully you can get all that dust up into the little fibers of that microfiber. I have the sun on the screen right now so I can kind of see where the remaining dust is. If you've installed this type of stuff on a cell phone, like I have, it's pretty much the same, but you're using just a bigger piece. Go here. I do see some dust. It's easy to see, like I said, in the sunlight. I'll just kind of dab this in those areas. Because the viewing distance is a little bit further than what you would be on a cell phone, it's not that noticeable if you leave some specs. Now, I don't want to get into a discussion about the build quality of the Bronco, but pretty much I've noticed all the trim panels slightly vary just a little bit. So the coverage that I have with this plastic around this screen may be slightly different than yours. I know it's slightly different than our Bronco Raptor. So my hands are clean. Now I will get this out. And there's a protector on the back, naturally, to cover the adhesive. Gotta make sure you're in a dust-free environment. If it wasn't for that fact that the air condition could push dust onto the back of this, I'd probably have the air condition on right now. So you don't want to have any air blowing around here, or you might blow dust into the back of this. Like I said, the easiest way is to scoot it and push it along the top of the trim. Then you can kind of see, before you put it down, kind of look at how much space you have to the left and the right side, and try to even that out. This is the best way to guide it, to have some kind of reference. I'm using my thumb. I'm kind of making it to the middle, because I want to push it down right in the middle, all the way down to the bottom. Now I've gone to the bottom. What I'll do is push out from the center to the left, and I'll push out from the center to the right. And that pretty much covers our screen protector installation. It'll be exactly how it was on our Bronco Raptor. Now we have a little bit more protection in case something goes flying while we're on that trail, or we have a crazy kid throwing stuff around. So, for more videos like this, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that bell notification icon for the latest and greatest things we are bringing to the 2021 and up Ford Bronco market. Thanks.